Hello, my name is Jensen Bean, and I wanted to run you through a script that I've been creating over the past week. I've titled it "Read eBooks to Me." Pretty simple. You download your ebook app of choice. Right now, the options for me that I have are the Nook app from Barnes and Noble and Kindle, and it'll cycle through the pages for you and read it out loud. So this is the initial code right here. Kind of a lot, but I'll use this book my cousin wrote to demonstrate. We have four different buttons here at the top of the screen. We have our run through, our step through, our pause button, and our end button. So the run through button is pretty simple. Actually, I'll have to move my face, otherwise the text to speech isn't going to work. It cycles through all of the pages, it stores all of the text, and then it reads it back to you. So here we go. See, here it is. It's cycling through the pages, and it's saving the text, and then we just press it again.
The place, then,
and it
anything,
starts.
Still, she was.
Now, while it's doing this, you can go out of the program. You can do whatever you want.
Mr. Landon, unlocked. The door
it doesn't
of
matter.
the new
It's
apartment
and you can go back.
Out of the way.
You can press pause. You can also press a media button.
Could enter.
And that'll also
the place
unpause it.
Extravagant by
and then you hit the X or whatever to finish it. Step through is pretty simple too. It just reads the book to you
so much
at this
to
and
Mr.
flips
Landon,
page at the pace that it's reading.
Relief. I will. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you need.
So I've been working on this for about the past week. Some of the big problems I've ran into are stuff to do with the app. The app can be difficult to work with, just the framework. The app also has bugs, so it can be difficult to tell whether it's something that's a me issue or something that the app issue. But here, one problem I ran into was, let me go here, step through ebook. So this one's the step through function, and actually it was more prominent on the run through. I wasn't able to pause it. What was happening was it was cueing all of the speech, and it was when the speech was being cued, there was no way to stop it from talking. And so you would press the pause button and nothing would happen. And so the solution that I came up with was I had to move the while loop from my main function into this function. So this now gathers all of the information first, and then it disperses it to in this function right here, and then it disperses it to the rest of the function. And the way this is set up is it basically forces the text to speech to go slowly. It only feeds it one chunk at a time. And so, while it's iterating through that, you can pause it. And that was a very difficult thing for me to figure out. I spent a long time. There was a lot of banging my head against the wall on this one. This is actually probably the biggest Macrodroid program that I've made. And I'm proud of it. It works very well. And honestly, I just made it because I didn't want to read I didn't want to read the book myself. I was like, I'll just make a program that reads it for me, because that will be much easier than actually reading the book itself. But I guess who knows if it actually was. But anyways, thanks for watching.